New Year's Eve, 8 years ago. Wait, the cops said the old man was killed on.
I didn't hear you come in.
Best night ever. Guess who made dessert? Let me know when you're in the mood.
Yeah, I will.
Thunder. I wasn't expecting a storm tonight.
Hello?
Hey, your dad says that my wife murdered her father. Can you help? Please, he is gonna hurt her.
What are you talking about? Why would you say that?
Listen, my wife is innocent, but your daddy, he won't listen to us.
I don't know what you're talking.
He doesn't have the whole story. Please, could you just tell him to listen to us?
No, why?
Please, he's making a big mistake. You can help him.
I mean, fine. Okay. I'll call him.
Guess who has 2 thumbs and remember to pay the elect? Call the day.
Hey! Sorry, I can't talk right now. Leave a message or just text me.
All right, I'm ready to get wowed by this dessert.
Just give me 1 second. Ow. Gotta get this fixed, babe. Someone's gonna get hurt.
Thanks for helping with the plates.
Hey, Bumblebee. What's up?
Oh, it's our song. They had to play it.
What? What do you... Honey, I think you got pranked. What did they threaten you? Listen to
Let's
what?
talk later. You care to dance?
Oh, okay. I'll
Actually,
listen to 'em,
that
but
sounds
honey-
really nice. After dessert?
Yeah.
Come on, let's dance.
What's the rush, Mr. Footloose? Let's enjoy dessert first.
Love you
Let's
more.
talk later.
All right, open up.
I'll get it.
You think you're funny? Calling my family?
What? What are you talking about?
No more games. Hands behind your back. Now. Hold still.
Hey! You're hurting! Ow! What is
Now
going
you.
on?
Hands behind your back, please.
Help me!
Don't
Will you
move.
come help me?
Hey, look, it's okay. I'm not resisting.
My wrists. I don't know. This is a mistake. Babe, will you tell him? This.
You called my daughter?
Babe,
Hey, listen.
will you tell?
No, never
This is a
mind.
misunderstanding.
All right. Not another word out of you.
Look, I didn't. Look,
Hey, listen.
I don't
Her
know.
father. Did you know?
I
Don't
warned you.
have to handcuff me. We can talk this out. Wait, no! Please don't stop.